everybody, welcome to Super Mario 3D All-Stars.
You ready? Hey, Mario! I'm hoping that y'all can hear that. Audio seems to always mess up for me. Yeah, let's go see Princess Peach. Oh wait, no, sorry, Princess Toadstool. Let's go now. Whoopee. You reach Princess Toadstool Castle via warp pipe using control. Escape. Press B to jump and Y to attack. Press A to read sign. Use L to move Mario around. Okay, that's the camera. That's how. I know. Whee! Good afternoon, the lucky brothers here, born live from just outside Princess Castle. Mario has just arrived on the scene and will be filming the action live as he enters the castle and pursues the missing power stars. As seasoned cameraman would be shooting from the recommended angle, but you can change the camera angle with the right stick. If you can descend further, will buzz to look at their surroundings, stop until R frozen. Press B to resume play, switch camera, move R button, cycle on the wheel. Now live. Hey. Owie. Welcome to one so I'm not screaming and don't come back. Wahaha. My voice made that very intimidating. Hi Toad. Am I glad to see you, the princess, and I am, well, everybody. We're all trapped inside the castle walls. Because you still in an hour and hanging wall, your rubber power star, the 4 room. We got it. Come on, let's go. The first episode awaits. Ready. Okay, select it. Wow, you're right in the middle of the battlefield. First thing got the bomb on, buddy. Big time. Nah, I'm not. Hi. I would like to punch you in the face. How do I grab one? Tell me? No, I don't. Sign, tell me. Really big amount. Okay, I won't. Oh, no, how to grab that. I'll figure that out later. Okay. And so now let's go. It has been a while since I recorded this, or since the audio is messed up, so I don't really know how to play. I've only gotten 6 stars as well, and I don't know, anything else, basically. I know, a little bit. So, oh, I went too far. Whoops. I knew, a little bit. Aren't there, teleporters, though? Is it, only like unlocked for a certain mode or something like that. Let's go. Ow. This is not going my way. Nah, 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 nah. This video is just gonna be me climbing the mountain and failing again. Oh. Nope. Okay. Okay. Maybe not for long, but I'm alive for now. What is this? Another life bar? This is just to refill my health bar. Okay. Shortcut. Hello, I would like to beat you up. I'm the big bomb lord of blasting matter, king of the kabam. The world of how dare you scare my mountain? By what right do you set foot on my imperial mountaintop? You may have included my gods, but you'll never escape my grasp. You'll never take away my power star. I hereby challenge you, Mario. You want star, I hold? You must prove it to yourself in battle. Put me a friend back and hurl me into trial to a fight. Thanks for telling me what to do. No. Come on. No. Come back. No. Come on. Let me throw you. You are the first boss. It's like having me run. Throw. Oh my gosh. No, that didn't work. No, that didn't work. That didn't work. Oh, no. This is upsetting. Oh. Time to climb the mountain again. I hope y'all haven't been doing anything illegal. No, please. No. You gotta be kidding me. I stopped to talk. Oh, I need to edit in some sad music right now. Please. There. Thank you. I think I have to bait you over here, and then... Do I have to jump over you, or am I just able to run around you again? I'm gonna throw him. Okay, one more time. No. No, why does he always do a flip? Come on. Oh. Yeah. What? Gonna be at a big squeak like yours that use the bomb king? He might be fast enough to ground me, but you'll have to pick up the page when I take the bows about the tail. Me thinks my dreams will only let you from your stars and clouds. Want to see me again? Check the star from me for now, bear with it. I had a sneeze. Yeah, here we go. See. You recover one of them? The princess's room? Let's go. It's the princess's room. Let's see what she has. Oh. Ow. I'm sorry for trying to turn. Is it this one? Up. Come on. Is this it? Yeah, it is. Aww. You lied to. Oh. Oh. I was just trying to get up there to be funny in order to say to you lied to me, but okay. I'm trying to read the sign. I'm trying my best. Princess Elizabeth. Oh, it's a secret slide. Okay, I know what this is. I just didn't know how to get to it. Star hidden here that Bowser couldn't find. When you slide, tilt forward to speed up, pull back, slow down. Slide really fast, but when you slide. Like, tilt with the left stick, or? Okay, yeah. Left stick. Can I die on this slide? I can. I definitely can. Oop, oop, that's a pit. That's a pit. That was a pit. Why does the princess have that in her room? Is there any other windows that do that? And if they do, let me go through the other window. Okay. I think it's only that window that I can go through. I know the bathroom closed, you're gonna stop on running out of the seals of Bowser's phone. And the new passing out of the Bowser has found one that has in the room holds on the stars. Oh, okay. Okay, so it literally tells me about it. Okay, that's nice. That's nice of her. Time to try that again. Whee. Ah, don't die. I'm not going very fast right now. Oh, because I don't want to die. Okay, at this point I can go faster. I want that. So this is a start? Okay, it is. So did I go fast enough, or is this just a normal star? I don't know if that was fast enough, or that was a normal star, or what. Like, I don't know. Got 5 lives, though, so that's a nice thing. Let's go ahead and do this thing. Reacting to the star power, the door slowly open. I can tell, like, this is basically my first time, and of course got those 6 stars from the coin before. And I had this for, like, the DS, but I was bad at it. Chip off the walls. I don't like that. Hello? I talked very earlier. It was so peaceful. I feel bad now. Like, I feel bad, but at the same time I don't. Don't. I think I just put through some of that. I mean, I'd rather put through it than die. Oh. Die. Thank you. Don't make that big loud da-da-da-da noise, please. Okay. Good. All I do know is that I've been here whenever I tried to record before, and I couldn't figure this out until I figured out, wait, I should stand on a metal platform. Well, I'm still bad. Wait. Does this just bring me up there? I feel like I would have been able to jump up to this from down there, but... Back, I slapped you in the face. How are you still alive? I slapped you. Ow. Doesn't remember me slapping it. And neither does the universe. Unless someone, like, just regrew in its place. I want that money. Money. Oh. No. Why? No. Oh, no. No. That should be the video title. Just no. Like me on YouTube, like, near the beginning, I kept on messing up with it. Like, it would never work. Oh, and please, no. Why can't I get past you? Thank you. Da-da-da. No. Oh, I lost a life. I'm upset that that is how I died. Yeah, I'm not too good at this, if you couldn't tell already. I know. Come on. I know I can make it. Yeah! Yes! Okay. I don't have to redo that bit, but that isn't very long, so it doesn't matter at all. But still. I did something right. No. Hup. Hup. How do I ground pound? Wait. Okay, I figured it out. I noticed I ducked. I can duck. Aim at me. Bam. Oh, come at me. I actually like swamps as enemies. Like, I like them. You know, I don't know why, I just like them. It kind of sounded like I said I dislike them. No. Right here. Oh. I want on you. Hup. Bam. You're big. It makes me so mad. We build your houses, your castles, we pave your roads, and still you walk all over us. Do you ever say thank you? No. Well, you're not gonna wipe your feet on me. I think I'll hurt you just for fun. But with that, just try to pound me. Wimp. Ha. Man, they really like making fun of Mario. This is easier than Thwomp. And easier than what happened earlier in this level. No, crushed again. I'm just a stepping stone after all. I won't gravel or grovel. You will take this with you. Bam. Okay, high score. Okay, yeah. Save and continue. You recovered 3 power stars. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, hi, Toad. Hi. Toad. Toad. Should I do the actual Toad voice for you? It was, but Toad voice hurts to do. It was Bowser who stole the stars. I saw them with my own eyes. He said it's 6 stars in each course, but you won't find them all. In some courses, until you press the cap switch, that's very helpful. Stars you found will show on each course's starting screen. Now my throat hurts. Let me drink some water and Toad's voice is off. If you want to see some of the enemies that you've already defeated, select the stars covered from them. I've already been told that. Thank you. That means I can beat Thwomp again. There, Thwomp. I forget his name. I'm not good with names, man. I mean, even if you had me watch the Poke Rap 567 times, I wouldn't be able to remember some of their names. Even though that's probably false. Arcing the star power, the door slowly opens. Fishies! Fishies. Fishies. Fish are cool, man. Fun fact, looking at an aquarium has scientifically proven to cause not depression, basically. So yeah, get a fish tank if you're feeling down. It helps. Oh, what's that? Toad, look, there's a hole. Can I go in that hole? The names of the stars are also hints for finding them as they play at the beginning of each course. Okay, thank you. You can collect stars in any order. You won't find some stars enemies are unless you have selected a specific star. If you collect some stars, you can try another course. We're all waiting for your help. Well, apparently I want in there. How do I get up there? Can I triple jump up there? Is that another hole? Okay, I got a 1-up. No! I needed that. I want in that hole. No, let me in that hole. No! Ah, come on, so close. No. I want... I'm gonna come from over here. Come back. No, I didn't mean to do that. The camera in this is not working too well with me. Yeah. No, come on, so close. The rest of this video is just gonna be me trying to get in that hole. I got into the other one, and I got a 1-up, but I didn't get to use it because I messed up. I want to do a triple jump. Don't just jump and then not jump again whenever I hit it. Please. No, jump. Okay, I'm just gonna spam jump. Because that seemed to have worked. No! I have to do it later so that... Okay, that didn't work. Please just... Okay, I'm not able to just walk at the wall and do it. Oh my gosh. Why was I able to do it there, but not at the other wall? Just camera. Please. There, thank you. Oh my gosh, camera. Not camera, jump. Mario, you gotta jump. You gotta do a triple jump. Oh, come on. Why? You know what? I'm gonna give up on that hole right now. We'll mess with that later. In like another video. Wondering the something shit. Ooh, that's nice music. But it is a water level, so I'm... Wasn't there a star in that one before? No, okay, it's coins this time. Not in that slide thing. Is that... Why is that here? I don't know. Attention group before diving in. Stay in water too long, you'll run out of oxygen. I know that. Or at least in real life. Wait. What's up with the water right now? I'm talking pure and air forms, breathe. Press B to swim, hold B to swim slow and steady at new timing game. So the L to forward, press B to that. Pull the L to back, press B to open. Pull the L to back, So I'm assuming there's a sunken ship somewhere. This might have been the wrong star to go for. Oh, never mind, I found the sunken ship. That's an eel. Do I have to get the eel out? Because I've heard about the eel. And I heard it haunts your nightmares. But I haven't played this case. All I do know is that I don't think I got a single star whenever I first played it. I'm not even going to try to go for that 1-up because I know I can't get it. What if I go to the bottom? No? Is there not an opening down? What do? I'm at the sunken ship. Okay. Eel. Ow. You hurt. Swim. Up. Hurry in. Nope, okay, I didn't make it. The eel didn't help me. Well. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Do what you want as long as it's not illegal. In randos, I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.